Hi Blazers, in this video tutorial we're going to show you how to completely remove Microsoft OneDrive from your computer. Now this gets preloaded with all the Microsoft Windows operating systems. These days it's part of the Microsoft Office 365 package. So you'll see something like this when you want to sign in, and then down the bottom with your taskbar near the system tray icons you will have some icon like that looking like the OneDrive, but mine is not signed in. So to start the uninstall process, the first thing that I would suggest is right click on the icon and click on Quit OneDrive, and then say Quit OneDrive. This will then remove it from the taskbar icon kind of stuff. It will be removed there. Then go into your control panel, uninstall the program. You will get the list of programs there. Now what you would need to do is go and find that Microsoft OneDrive program. You can see it's right here. Right click on it, uninstall, say yes. You can see now that it's removed from the listing, so that's gone. Now to be a little bit more thorough, what we can do, click on the Windows File Explorer, go down to your C drive, go to Users, go into your profile, show hidden items. There's a folder called App Data. Now what I would do is recommend to go into each one of those folders. It's alphabetical order, so find the Microsoft folder and go and find the OneDrive folder. There it is there. You see that's there. What we want to do is we'll remove that, so hit the delete button on your keyboard. Click yes. That's now removed from that folder. We'll come back up one level. We'll go to the App Data folder. We'll go to Local Load. Again, Microsoft. This is just to be thorough and to check. Usually just uninstalling it should be fine. Sometimes there's residue left, so we would go into all these folders. Microsoft. And there's no other folder there. So now that that's the case, Microsoft OneDrive has completely been removed from your computer, and it won't start up on your computer or slow down your machine. It doesn't necessarily slow down your machine, but you may not want to have it run on your computer in the first place. So that's how we uninstall Microsoft OneDrive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll